we'll turn left please. Before we signal, what do we need to look out for? In this mirror, mate, cyclist.
I've left this part of the clip on to show everyone at what an early level my pupil was when this incident happened.
Roll it up, less brake pressure if needed, steer halfway around the bend, steer more, halfway around the bend, steer more. Now, go a little slower. Why are you straightening up, Joe? You've just straightened. It's a shame. Why would you feel as though there's a need to straighten up? Which way are we trying to head? So you steered left, yeah, and then you straighten back up again. Clutch down, put your handbrake on because we're on a little bit of a slope. Good. Well done, and have a little look right and left and try and decide on when we're going to go. Try not to pull that right hand because you're pulling it straight even there. Let go of the pressure. You don't need it. Good, can we go? Good. Put your left hand up high on the wheel. Off we go slowly, keep looking, and pull round to the left when we start to go. More. You're gripping way too tight, mate. You have to loosen your grip and let your hands flow. Okay? Make sense? Good. Let's get your next gear ready. And where's your normal driving position taken from, Joe? Because you're heading all the way out to that right side. Good. Come over here to the left more. Bit more. Keep going. You don't need to slow down. You don't need to slow, mate. Good. Just park on the left. Put a left signal on. Good. Clutch down. Steer right a little and stop. So put your handbrake on. Good. Take it out of gear. Relax. Cancel the signal. What did I do that for? What did I get you to park?
Because I was moving to the right.
Because you were?
Moving to the right.
No, not at all, mate. It was that car at the back of us. Did you see what it was doing? Beeping. It was really close. It was beeping. It was just being really impatient. So if you ever get people like that, think about the option that I've just got you to do. Parking. Because when you parked in, where are they now?
Well.
Perfect. Alright, so don't ever get wound up with people. However, please don't think that, I know you wouldn't do anyway, but please don't think that's acceptable. Alright? You were driving a little slow, but you're doing no harm. Don't ever be like that with anyone else on the road. It might be that they are inexperienced. It might be that they're lost and looking for somewhere. So there's a good lesson in what's just gone on there and what's just happened. Make sense? Do you think there's any way to tell from our car that you're a novice driver?
I'm going slow.
You're going slow, maybe. Is there anything that's on the roof? L plates. But people act in that way. Alright? So just remember that, and remember that's always an option to park in, mate. Okay? Not a problem.